Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to delete multiple slides in Google Slides. It's super simple. And yeah, if you're working on a presentation and want to clean things up fast, this will help a lot. So first, go ahead and open the presentation where you want to remove a bunch of slides. Just click on it from your Google Drive or your slides list. Now, on the left side of your screen, you'll see all your slide thumbnails. To select several slides at once, hold down the Shift key and then click the first slide and the last slide in the range. This selects everything in between in one go. And if you only want to delete specific slides that aren't next to each other, you can hold the Control key on Windows or the Command key on a Mac and then just click each slide you want. I mean, this is great when you want to pick slides one by one. Once the slides are selected, deleting them is easy. You can press the Delete key on your keyboard or right-click and choose Delete. And yeah, Google Slides removes them instantly. And if you delete something by accident, don't panic. Just click the Undo button at the top left or press Control-Z on Windows or Command-Z on a Mac. It brings the slides right back. And that's pretty much it. Deleting multiple slides in Google Slides is quick once you know the shortcuts. If this helped you out, feel free to subscribe for more simple guides like this. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one.